Mastering climbing terms. Top roping, explained. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a term that's very common among climbing enthusiasts. Top roping. Whether you're a seasoned climber or just curious about the sport, understanding this term will add to your English vocabulary and give you insight into the climbing world. So, let's climb to new heights with our English skills. Top roping is a climbing term that refers to a style of climbing where the rope is anchored at the top of the climbing route. Unlike lead climbing, where the climber attaches the rope as they ascend, top roping involves a rope that is already secured above the climber. This method is considered safer and is ideal for beginners because it minimizes the distance of potential falls. The phrase, top roping, can be broken down into two parts, top and roping. Top refers to the position of the anchor point relative to the climber. It's at the highest point of the climb. Roping is derived from the use of the rope in this style of climbing. When combined, these terms create a phrase that describes the method by which the rope is used during the climb. Top roping is often recommended for new climbers because it allows them to focus on their technique without worrying too much about the risks of falling. It's also a great way to build confidence and strength. Furthermore, because the rope is anchored above, it's easier to manage and requires less equipment than other forms of climbing, making it a great introduction to the sport. An essential aspect of top roping is the role of the belayer. The belayer is the person on the ground who controls the rope, ensuring that it remains taut and can catch the climber in case of a fall. This role requires attention, responsibility, and cooperation, making it a quintessential part of the top roping experience. Top roping can be done both indoors and outdoors. Indoor climbing gyms are equipped with fixed anchors where ropes are attached for climbers to practice. Outdoor top roping is often done on shorter routes where anchors can be safely and easily accessed from the top of the climb, such as at a local crag or climbing area. I hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of what top roping means in the world of climbing. Whether you're looking to expand your vocabulary or get started with climbing, knowing terms like top roping is a step in the right direction. Keep practicing your English and perhaps try some top roping if adventure calls your name. Thanks for watching, and happy climbing!